Hi, everybody. Sorry I'm missing our meeting today. I thought I would just go ahead and record what I would share out with you anyway. So here we go. I have taken on the project of doing the school's advisor slash counselor newsletter this year. And I'm just going to show you a brief bit of it, and then later you can look over it yourself. So I'm going to have it loaded here, and let's see if we can just walk you through a little bit. So this is going to be the general format. I built all of the templates, so each month it'll kind of stay in the same formation, but some of the pages will change, not so much the heading. All right, so just gonna click on a couple. Like I said, you can do this on your own later. So if we go to the different pages, you can see all of the information that's there. A couple that I specifically do want to address is that there are things that you may feel differently about, and I'm more than willing to change anything that the team feels would be better suited. So just know that you can do that. There are some things that I would like for you to provide input on, and so I'm just going to jump ahead to that category. So I know that one of you has been working on just kind of getting started for the school year, what that looks like. Someone else has been working on building like learning coach resources and so on. So those are the things that I think will be valuable in this particular newsletter. So I have built a page for you, and when you feel like you have something you would like me to share out, then I will be more than glad to do that for you. Oh boy, let's see. I have to see if I can reach my thing. There we go. Same for you, Mrs. Crawford. I have one there. I also have included some outside links going back to Stride. Like here's an example where it'll take us out to a different website. So those things are included also. Let's go back and see some other things. Oh, sorry, wrong one here. We have calendars that I have included. This is something I think that we could probably alter in the future a little, just to align precisely with, Michelle, what you are making. But I have done a link to our outside calendar as well. This one's really heavy. I might compress the file so it loads a little bit more quickly, but this is our school's annual calendar that I've included in there as well. I have lots of things that you are free to peruse yourself. I will tell you that the advisor link should be active. The counselor ones are still not active at this point because I don't have information for them. Depending on when I get all of that will determine what I will show when we send out the final draft. Just a few takeaways I would like you to consider on this. I would like you, first of all, to, if you see errors when you go through this, please feel free to point them out to me. Also, if there are things that you feel would be beneficial to be on a regular, continual basis so that it's constant exposure to our learning coaches, we can certainly add that in, whether it's under one of the categories or build another category in itself. The last thing is, last year we did the monthly themes, and I am perfectly comfortable doing that again this year, but I would like some further insight on that as far as topics you feel would be pertinent, and perhaps aligning it with whatever you are doing for your projects. Also want some input as far as, you know, do you want to have everybody do the same thing every month? Would you like to sign up for only doing once or twice during the school year, whatever. So I have a survey that I will be sending out to you either today or tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see. Just to get a little bit more insight on what you would like to see happen on that. So that was my summer project. It, of course, will be ongoing. So hope that it fulfills a need for our school, and I'm looking forward to continuing to build it, and hopefully we'll get more attraction to it. I have built in a component where I'm coding something that will track how much attention it gets, how many views it gets, how many of the different pages will be more watched, things like that, so we can find out what's valuable in that and make changes as they are needed. So have a good rest of the day. So sorry I'm missing out on this group time. It's always one of my favorite times of the month. If you need anything, give me a holler. Otherwise, I look forward to talking to you soon, and please be on the lookout for my survey. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.